In this tutorial, we will show you how to vacuum your pool using your assembled Hayward AquaRay cleaner. With the pump off, remove the skimmer lid and the skimmer basket. Insert the adapter from the AquaRay kit into the bottom of the skimmer, firmly pushing it down into the skimmer hole. You can now turn on the pump. Insert the cleaner into the water and grab the end of the hose. Hold it in front of the return for approximately 10 seconds. This will remove all the air in the hose and completely fill the system with water. Your cleaner should start to sink to the bottom of the pool once all the air is removed. Keeping the hose underwater, guide it through the skimmer opening and push the end of the hose onto the hose adapter. Your cleaner will now start to pulsate and vacuum the bottom of your pool. Once the bottom is clean, turn off the pump, then remove the cleaner and the hose adapter. You can now reinstall your skimmer basket and skimmer lid. As you pull the hose out of the water, disassemble it section by section. When disassembling your cleaner, it is important to store your hoses straight across. Coiled hoses can cause the cleaner to improperly function. You have now successfully vacuumed your pool using a Hayward AquaRay cleaner. If you have any questions, please contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.